Hello and welcome to Ecom Premier. Today we will see how section works in Shopify theme code section. Before previously we studied layout and templates, and today we are going to study sections, how section works in Shopify theme edit code. So here in the Shopify.dev you can see that we do have these boxes in the blue background and then in the pink background. The whole body was a layout, and then inside was templates, and inside the templates there are pink ones that are codes, basically blocks, where the following diagram shows the main theme architecture components with sections highlighted in the blue and blocks highlighted in red. So you can see that, and we will study it properly from now. The sections are liquid files that allow you to create reusable modules of content that can be customized by merchants. They can also include books, which allow merchants to add, remove, and reorder content within a section. For example, you can create an image with text section that displays with image and text side by side, with options for merchants to choose the image set to text and select the display order. So in here you can see with the examples, and sections can be dynamically added to pages using JSON templates, giving merchants flexibility to easily customize page layouts. Sections that are included in JSON templates can support app logs, which gives merchants the option to include app content within a section without having to edit theme code. And in here there is also something regarding included statically. Like section can also be included statically, which can provide merchants within context. Like in here you can see that we do have these are the files available inside the section, that is templates and then section, and the content we'll see in main content. Any HTML or liquid content you might want to include in the section. Section have the same access to global objects, tags, and filters as other liquid theme files, as well as the following section specific objects. The section object contains the section properties and setting values, and the block object contains the properties and setting values of a single section block. So in here you can see there are section object and the block object. Aside from the global object, you can see that in the assets we do have JavaScript files. Like section can be bundle their own JavaScript and style sheet asset with the following section specific liquid tag, JavaScript, and style sheet. And in the schema, sections support the section specific schema liquid tag. This tag is used to define the following sections attributes and settings that can be name, tag, class, limit, settings, block, max blocks, etc. And in here in usage, when working with sections, you should familiarize yourself with the following: how to render a section, like how to add a section, how to integrate section within the theme editor, and support app logs. So render a section, you can render section in one of the following ways: include the sections with a JSON template, statically render the section with the section liquid tag, and use the section rendering API. And there is a tip: if you want to render a section inside a template, then use a JSON template. JSON template provides more extensive customization options for merchants and improve the theme editor performance. And then you can also have a look at all these sections settings. We will see it here more precisely. Like here you can see that we have sections that are in code form, and then you can, if you click on the customize section, you can see that we do have in the theme customizations we are on homepage template with these dynamic sections on the left side, and above here header is a static section. So dynamic sections can be moved anywhere inside a template, but a static section can stick to a specific location once it's added in the template. So here you can add static and dynamic sections inside. Basically, we would love to add dynamic sections inside any template in Shopify. So here in the home page, you see we do have add section of options available in the home page template, all these dynamic sections. And if you are going into the product page template, and that is default product template, you can see that we have some sections on this template, and on the left side, if you are going to add sections, you will see all the dynamic sections availability on any template, just like here this product template. So this is how, because this is a key feature in Shopify new OS 2.0 themes. So we are talking about this Crave theme. This is awesome in the OS 2.0 update. And so if you haven't subscribed our channel yet, do subscribe it. We are coming up with more interesting and more deeply comprehensive content on Shopify only and for dropshipping and e-commerce. Thank you so much for watching this informative tutorial. Have a great day. Bye bye.